In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Git on Windows. So let's just search for Git SCM. Go to that website and then download the latest for Windows. Save file. Run the installer. Yes. Next. 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 This is about adjusting the name of the initial branch in your repositories. Just let Git decide. Next. Get from command line and also from third-party software. And it needs to add some wrappers to the path. And use Git and optional tools from the command line. I'll say just keep the default. Next. This is the HTTPS transport backend, OpenSSL library. That's fine, just keep the default. Okay, this is about the line ending conversions. Basically the new line, whether it's going to be line feed or carriage return and line feed. Now for cross-platform compatibility, I would say, when you commit, you want to commit to Unix style. When you checking out Windows style, this is I'll say we should use this option, check out as is, because there may be problems when you're processing certain data files in your program. If you convert the new lines into Windows style, and that you may have an issue. Your program may not be working across platform. So anyways, I would recommend this second option right here. Next. Now, this min-tty, this is for the terminal emulator to use the git bash. So there's two options here, min-tty or Windows default console window. I would say the min-tty is probably a better experience. Next. Default behavior, we get a pull. The default is fine. Next. The credential helper, just let it be the default. Next. File system caching, symbolic links. Yes, keep them checked. Experimental options, no. Install. Okay, that's done. I don't need to see the release notes. Just finish. Okay, so now you should have the Git installed. You get Git GUI, Git command, or Git bash. Now, Git GUI, if you prefer this, you can use this. Now, I prefer a command line. I will just click on Git bash. Now, the command line for Git program is going to be just a Git, and then let's check the version of it. So we have the version 2.29.2. So that's the Git version we have. This is pretty much it. Now you have the Git installed, so you can actually check out your code. I would, for better experience, that I kind of suggest you use this command line tool, and just run the Git in the Git bash. That's typically going to give you a better experience. And this is the sort of a similar experience you're going to see on Windows, Linux, or Mac if you're using this way. Okay. You can certainly go to the Git GUI, and that is seems a little. Now you're gonna get limitations when you're using the GUI. There's a couple things that it allows you to do, but you're not gonna get everything you can get from the command line. So for the purpose of this course, I'm going to mostly demonstrating the command line usage of Git. Okay. So that is Git, a must-have tool for your development.